The Philippine Travel Agencies Association, also in partnership with the Davao Travel Agencies Association, is so excited to bring the biggest and the best Travel Tour Expo to Davao.
We will stand together to make these things happen. And here we are now. It's happening on June 5 to 7. So you have to give everyone a round of applause. So I would like to thank PTAA, our stakeholders here in Davao, of course our chairman, Marigel, for pushing this, and to our media partners. Telling story about Travel Tour Expo is not just telling story about the expo. It's telling story about how hospitable Davao is, how progressive Davao is, and how welcoming Davao is.
It's full steam ahead na. We are very prepared and nadunggan nato ganina na we are sold out na po. No? So we are just polishing everything. Later we will have the exhibitors briefing na kung how to do the ingress egress. But for the preparation, for the exhibitors, for all the guests, we are good to go. We are good to go. Dili lang man gud siya about travel, di ba?
Yes.
Na ang go negosyo, na atong business mentoring, na atong, for example, kinahanglan ninyo og bagong negosyo, kinahanglan ninyo kung naatanan dito siya. So, dili lang pud ni para sa travelers. Travelers, para sa travel promos, pero for ginatawagan po na ako o gina-invite po na ako ang mga travel agents nga to come over, register for the International Travel and Trade Expo. It's for your own good. I mean, you will meet foreign tour operators. They will be here in Davao, so you don't have to go to Manila to meet them. Na sila diri sa ato ang bakuran. So adtuo na gyud ninyo for you to be able to expand your coverage, no? Kung unsa pa inyong mabaligya. So kana pwede po na sa ato dili lang sa mga customers, dili lang sa mga travelers, dili lang sa mga flyers, pati po sa mga business owners like us.
This is the first time that PTAA will come to Davao to do the biggest travel show in the Philippines, the Travel Tour Expo, PTAA Travel Tour Expo. So for the first time, it will be held here on June 5 to 7. And of course, the brand of PTAA, we bring the experts, we bring the best promos, plus we bring sellers from all over the world. That will set us apart among the so many expos in the country. The mentorship, of course, we partner with Go Negosyo, and then we will bring mentors to teach our MSEs on how to run their businesses, on how to improve their businesses. So we have that. We have mentorship happening on, I think, June 6. So we have that. And then the expectations. PTAA Travel Tour Expo, we are known for bringing the legit travel agencies. So we choose exhibitors that can give real promo, real deals for all the consumers, especially here in Davao.
Welcome to Aria Hotel and Residences. We are currently on our soft opening. Right now, we are offering our restaurants. We have the Rhapsody Asian Fusion, our all-day dining. We have Cadenza Bar, our lobby bar. We also have our event spaces. We have the Soprano Grand Ballroom, can accommodate 260 to 320 guests. We also have our rooms. We have deluxe rooms, and it offers king bed and twin beds. So all of our rooms, it is automated. We all have bathtubs inside the rooms, and we're also offering our Aria suites. So in Aria, we are really different. If you can visit the lobby, you will see that we are really into musical, like the Rhapsody, Cadenza, and then we incorporate it into our interior, also into our services as well. Also, as mentioned earlier, in our rooms, we have automation already. So once you experience our rooms, you'll be amazed on how synchronized our rooms are. Aside from the restaurants and the facilities I mentioned before, in the next few months, we'll be opening 5 floors We'll be offering luxury dining at the 33rd level. We'll have our Privea Sky Bar. And of course, everybody's looking forward to experience the infinity pool there. So that's one of the highlights of Aria Hotel and Residences, giving remarkable experiences. So everyone, I'm inviting you to please visit Aria Hotel and Residences and also visit us during the PTAA exhibit. We'll be offering special deals there so you can experience Aria Hotel and Residences.
Your PTAA friends and family is inviting you to join the biggest and the best travel tour expo happening this coming June 5 to 7. Expect the best travel deals in the country this coming June. So we are all looking forward to see you all there.